Hey everyone! Is TikTok blocking certain videos and content on your account? That's restricted mode, and it's super easy to turn off. Whether you enabled it by mistake or someone else did, I'll show you exactly how to disable it right now. First, what is restricted mode? It's a feature on TikTok designed to filter out content that may not be suitable for younger audiences. When it's on, certain videos, sounds, and search results are hidden automatically. It's useful for parental control, but if you don't need it, here's how to turn it off. Method 1. Disable it on your phone. Open TikTok and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the 3-line menu in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Content Preferences and tap Restricted Mode. Enter your passcode. If you never set one, try 0000. Once verified, toggle it off. And that's it. Your full content feed is back instantly. Now, if you forgot the passcode, don't worry. On the passcode screen, tap Forgot Passcode. TikTok will send a reset link to your registered email. Open your inbox, tap the link, and you'll be able to disable restricted mode without the old code. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Method 2. Check family pairing. If your account is linked to a parent account, you won't be able to turn off restricted mode yourself. The parent needs to open TikTok, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Family Pairing, select your account, and disable restricted mode from their device. If you want full control back, you can unlink the account completely. Method 3. Turn it off on desktop. Open TikTok in your browser, log in, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Privacy, and find restricted mode. Toggle it off and enter your passcode if asked. Quick tips. After turning it off, refresh your For You page so new content loads properly. If restricted mode keeps turning back on, double-check family pairing settings. And if your account is under 18, TikTok may automatically apply some restrictions for safety. And that's it. Just head to Settings, go to Content Preferences, enter your passcode, and switch restricted mode off. Super simple. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if it worked for you.